Today I came up with this multiple saw blade, which is the kids came, they say 7-in-1. Usually, I don't know if it's really worth it, but go give it a shot. And the saw blade come something like this. As you can see, it actually, and this is somewhat dangerous in a way. See, you squeeze it, put in that hole. There's a groove right here. There's a notch. You put in. Doesn't really work. And put it back. Just to get the size you want, you have to take every single one of them out first, then to put it back in. Okay. Yeah, now I got it. All right. There was multiple size. Let me see if it work. Go drill a hole through there, over there. Oh. Okay. Usually you buy one of these, it's only like 20 bucks in that. But usually you use a Milwaukee one, but let's try this Bosch. Alright. 7-in-1. Should always wear glasses, man. Let me get some glasses. My point is this cut. A little grip right here because well, it does cut, and yeah. Well, it does work, yeah. As you can see, gotta take it out. And gotta put it, for you not lose your tools, gotta put it back in. Finally got it done, but it's not correctly. Alright. This is annoying. I won't recommend it. It's gonna be a piece of trash. Usually tools I don't like, I just throw it away. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe.